Last year, archaeologist Peter Bolton unveiled the mysteries of Egypt in his acclaimed series, Secrets of the Pharaohs.
Here we are in the Valley of the Kings, a truly extraordinary collection of tombs filled with fascinating remains.
Now join Peter as he unlocks the secrets of another intriguing culture in Municipal Cemetaries of Australia.
Here we are in Sydney's Rookwood Cemetery, a truly extraordinary collection of tombs.
Digging up the treasures of a not-forgotten civilization.
Now, this housewife was interred as many as 3 years ago.
And shedding new light on our extremely recent past.
Oi! What the fuck do you think you're doing? This local man's grave should provide a fascinating insight into the burial. Who are you? What are you? Get out of there!
Explore the unfathomable mysteries of the Municipal Cemetaries of Australia. 8:30 Wednesday on ABC.
These bones belong in the British Museum!
They do!
Yes, they do,
They
son!
belong to Mr. Windsor!